Oh, I've got a treat for you with what's inside this bag. Hello, Russ here, bringing you the best tips and inspiration for hiking around the world. If all of that sounds right up your street, then do consider hitting that subscribe button below for more content just like this every single week. I am very pleased to announce this insane giveaway of all of this Zpacks gear worth £245. This is a competition, so stay tuned and I'll give you all of the details on how to enter. To say a huge thank you for all of your support and for subscribing over the last 4 years. I've got coming up to 16,000 subscribers now, and I never did a 10,000 subscriber giveaway because it was just such a mad rush trying to get to the PCT and due to all of this COVID-19 situation. So here it is. Here's the insane giveaway. I am giving away this Zpacks 30 litre DCF duffel bag worth $200, and also inside the duffel bag I'm going to be giving away this 13-inch DCF padded laptop sleeve complete with shoulder strap worth $65, and last but not least this large DCF packing cube worth $45. That is an insane amount of gear at an incredibly high value. I just wanted to give you something that you're going to make some use of. I've never actually used these. They sent it for me to test, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to give these things away. They're really high quality, really good spec bits of gear. Okay, so to enter the insane Zpacks gear giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave the comment below saying I want Zpacks gear in the comment section, and at the end of the giveaway in about a week's time I will reveal and pull the winner out of a hat using a bit of software online from all of those comments. So go ahead and do that, and yeah, good luck in the draw, and I'll look forward to seeing you here next week when I announce the winner. Thanks for watching. Before you leave, do be sure to go down to the description where you can check out my entire kit list. There's links to every single product with write-ups, so I hope you enjoy looking at that as well. Thanks again for watching this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.